Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video we're going to make some corned beef today. This is part of the under $5 meal. This is the corned beef in a can that we're going to use here for it. We're also going to put in some white onion, some Kirkland brand of red crushed pepper, and some Kirkland brand of black pepper. We're also going to put in Scotch bonnet pepper and some green onions. Okay, so help me to cut these up, and then we'll get started. Okay, here we go, my friends. We're going to cut up some white onion. I'm not going to use all of the white onion. I'm just going to maybe do half the white onion, and we're going to slice it and then chop it up. Okay. Oop. This is a fairly quick meal, my friends. If you're looking for a meal to cook in half an hour, this is the meal to go to. This is just corned beef, and I'm going to pair it with some rice when I'm done, and basically that's it. This is coarsely chopped up, guys, so if you want you can chop it up a little bit finer. It's up to you. Okay. Oh. All right, I'm going to put this in my bowl. I'm also going to put some garlic in there too as well. I like garlic in my corned beef. Now this can of corned beef, my friends, as I said, it's a quick meal. It's under $3 when I purchased it, so this is a good can of corned beef, and it's one of those things that you need to have in your cupboard. Okay, now you can check out the other videos to see how I make quite a few time-saving meals. Okay, so I have my garlic in here and my white onion in here is already chopped up. I'm going to chop up the scallion. I hope you guys are doing well. It's getting hot sooner, and I hate it. So I hope you guys are enjoying the nice weather though, and finally being able to get outside. But make sure you guys are being responsible, right? Socially responsible, and social distancing and all. I have half a Scotch bonnet pepper. I like my stuff spicy. You guys know that by now. So I'm gonna put quite a few pieces in here, and some of the seeds as well. So here we go. Oh, I forgot the tomatoes. Let's get some tomatoes in here as well. Okay, my friends, I got my tomatoes here. I'm just going to use some cherry tomatoes for this recipe as well. You can use any tomatoes that you have. I just don't want these tomatoes to go bad. This is why I'm using them up like this. Or usually I put these cherry tomatoes in a salad. Okay, so let's keep going. We're almost there. Okay. Okay, my friends, I'm back. I'm ready to cook up this corned beef, and I have my onion, tomatoes, white onion, green onion, some garlic, and some Scotch bonnet pepper all cut up in here. Okay, the stove is on medium high, and I am getting ready. So I'm going to open the corned beef. Actually, I wiped down the top, guys, so make sure you clean it off, and then I'm going to get this all started. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to okay, so I'm going to get the keys to open up my corned beef. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Oh, maybe not. Okay, so here we go. Opening the corned beef. Here we go. This is a simple meal, my friends, as I said before. It's one of those half an hour meals that's, you know, one of my family's favorite as well. But I find with corned beef, you have to almost crave corned beef to be cooking it, right? So it's open. So there we go. I'm actually going to use a fork and I'm going to pour this in. I used about, the oil wasn't hot enough, and I put about 2 tablespoons of oil in here. The oil is not hot enough, guys. I should have waited for a little bit, but just wait for the oil to get hot. Oh my goodness, it's so hot in the kitchen, period. So this is also a nice meal to make on a hot day like today, when you really want to get in and out of the kitchen quickly. Okay, so there goes my seasoning cooking up. Okay, and we're just gonna let that sweat a little bit. With the corned beef is already cooked. It's in a can. It's a canned corned beef that we are using. It's already cooked, so all we need to do is just heat it through, period. Okay. Oh, that smells wonderful. And so I'm gonna let this heat up, and then we're gonna come right back. Okay. Okay, my friends. The seasoning is cooking up nicely. I'm just going to be adding the corned beef, and it's straight from the can, just like that. Nice. And then you just want to try to crush it up like this. All right. It smells wonderful in here. As I said, this is a quick meal to make. Nothing else is needed on this. Okay. And remember, the corned beef is already cooked through. All you're just doing is now heating it through. Right? Another fast meal. It's almost done. The seasoning is cooked up. I'm just warming through the corned beef now. Okay, and then we'll plate it. Okay, the stove is still on one. I'm going to put some black pepper. This is Kirkland brand of black pepper into my, black pepper onto my corned beef. And I'm also going to put some crushed red pepper. I did put in some scotch bonnet pepper already, but I like pepper. All right, my friends, here it is, the corned beef with some white rice, and this is the white rice, corned beef, and a nice salad I've paired it with. And here's the corned beef. Now, with the corned beef, you could put lots more vegetables. You can put some green pepper in if you want to, some sweet pepper, period. You can put other vegetables, also some cabbage if you wanted to stretch it a little bit. But this is basically it. This meal, as I said, took about half an hour, and I am ready to eat. Now, let me know if your comments below. Have you ever had corned beef for the can or any other way? Okay. So don't forget, my friends, not everyone that wanders is lost, and always strive for something better. Thank you so much for watching.